Hey guys, today I'm going to take this butcher block cutout from last week's project and turn it into a beautiful centerpiece by using ancient Japanese wood preserving technique called Shou Sugi Ban, which is basically burning the wood. I got this beautiful color without using any stain or coloring, just by burning and oiling the wood. I can use this as a centerpiece and put flowers or candles or anything nice I have. And sometimes I can use it as a charcuterie board, just like this one, so beautiful and delicious. Let me show you the process step by step. My first step is to sand these sharp edges to soften up. This piece of butcher block is a cut from a countertop which I made it a kitchen carpet. That's my last week's video. I'll put the link for you right above here, also at the end of this video if you wish to watch it. That project turned out pretty awesome. I'm done with sanding. I didn't go crazy since I'm gonna be burning this, so it's not really necessary. I'm gonna be using a propane torch today and start burning. It's very easy to use and pretty cheap, somewhere around $20-25. How much you burn it is up to you, light or heavy. I think I'm gonna go for a mid-range. And don't forget to keep a water sprayer handy, you will probably need it. Shou Sugi Ban is an ancient Japanese technique to preserve wood by charring it with fire. This process helps to keep bugs and water off the wood while giving a beautiful finish. Once you're done charring the surface, next step is to brush off the burnt layer and remove all the loose particles. You will need a wire brush for this. Apparently, insects don't like to get close to burnt surfaces as a natural instinct. That's how this technique keeps the insects off the wood. By the way, please don't forget to hit the like button for me if you like this video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up charring the whole piece. Since this is a butcher block, it is harder to burn it than a regular wood. So what I did, I went really deep in certain areas like this. This is one of those deep burns and it gives me this worn out look, so I like that. I'm gonna probably keep doing a couple of more. I'm done with this step. I'm gonna go ahead and start the next step. I love the color, how it turned out. Now I'm gonna clean it up and start oiling. I used a couple of old rags to clean it because it gets really dirty, so you have to keep changing your rag and clean it really nicely before the oiling process. I'm using butcher block conditioner. It's food safe. I can serve food or cut food on this board. They recommend 3 to 4 coats, but that's for regular raw wood and mine is being a butcher block. I'll see how much I need. So I put only one layer and it turned really dark. As you can see, it's a major difference between oiled and non-oiled. But it is beautiful. It looks really gorgeous. I think I might have to sand certain areas just to bring out those nice rich blondish reddish color underneath, but I will keep the most of the surface dark color. I do like it. These are the handles I ordered online. I only need 2. And these are the rubber feet for the bottom. I will probably use 8 of these. this is the last step. Once I install them and I'll be done. I'm going to put all the materials and tools I used in this project in the description below if you are interested in making this yourself, which I highly recommend. It's just so much fun and the result is amazing. Here it is, beautiful colors, without using any stain or any coloring. That's amazing. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Gorgeous. But I have to admit, I'm very impressed with this transformation from an ordinary to a stunning. Well, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.